Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a Ford Edge, guys. So if you have a Ford Edge all-wheel drive, okay, the one that's all-wheel drive, not just front-wheel drive, and you're trying to find the fuse, guys, for your all-wheel drive system, stay with us, guys, and we'll explain where it's located. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, we're guys making at least 200 videos. We take them completely apart. Why we do all that? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now, if you guys need to buy any replacement fuses, relays, car parts, tools, guys, and you want to get them for a good price, fast shipping, check out the link in the description of the video below. It's there, guys, for your convenience. So I will go ahead and open the hood. Okay, and I want to show you guys, okay, where that fuse for the all-wheel drive system is located now on a Ford Edge. Now, as you know, guys, you have a fuse box under the hood for your Ford Edge right here, but the fuse is not there, guys. That fuse is actually inside, so we'll go inside and I'll show you where it's located. Pretty simple. Open the door, guys, okay, and I'll explain how you can get to it and how you can check the fuse, okay, and replace it if you need to. So check it out now. Here by the pedals, guys, okay, you're going to have, okay, here you're going to have a fuse box. Now, the first thing that you need to remove, okay, in order to get to that fuse box, okay, is right here, that cover. That cover will be closed like that. So slide that thing, pull it out, okay, and remove it. Next, you're going to have this cover, guys. This is with the fuse numbers, and the fuse puller is on the inside, okay, right there. This cover, okay, stays like that here. It goes up, and then you need to squish right here, okay, squish, pull it out. And the fuse, guys, that we're looking at now, it's fuse number, okay, fuse number 11, guys. Fuse number 11, okay, is the one for the all-wheel drive. So this is, guys, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th fuse from bottom to top, or 11 from top to bottom. In our case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 10M fuse, guys. That 10M fuse, number 11, it's right there. I will go ahead and remove it. Okay, let me show you now quick. I will go ahead and remove it now and show you what needs to be done to replace it. So let me confirm that now. Okay, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6th from top to bottom. Okay, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yep, that's the fuse right there, guys. Now, if you're on the market, guys, okay, for replacement fuses for a really good price, check this thing out, guys. The whole fuse box for a really good price. We'll have the link in the description of the video below. I will go ahead and install the new fuse now. That's the only thing that we have left now. And just push it in. So that's the whole video, guys, for the all-wheel drive system. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.